Hi, welcome to part 2 of our tutorial cooking. We're still doing the macaroni and cheese. So what we've done is we boiled the elbow pasta according to the package with salted water. On the side I made a roux, and a roux is just butter and flour mixed together in the pan. You let that cook out. And then I added a little milk to it to do my cheese sauce. So after I did the sauce, which is actually a bechamel, if you really want to get technical, I did the bechamel, and then I combined it with the noodles, the elbow noodles. So this is what it looks like combined in the pot. So that would be your elbow noodles and your bechamel. So I also put a secret ingredient in there that I'm not sharing. But what we're going to do is we're going to line these foil pans. Exhibit A, Exhibit B. And we're going to bake them off at 375. So one side, hi Tamari, one side, fill the pans. I might only need one, I don't know. Let's see. No, I'll make two. It's enough. Or I could. No. You know what? We'll just do one because it looks like we have enough for just the one. So all of our macaroni and cheese with the bechamel sauce is in the pan. I didn't have to butter the pans because I already have the butter in the roux. So this is what it looks like when you put it in the pan. Thank you, assistant. Oops. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the final topping of cheese
that I shredded.
That this lovely young lady right here shredded. Get him in there, girl. And then we're going to put this in the preheated oven, 375. And I put foil paper over. I let it bubble up, and then I take the foil paper off at the end just to get it to brown. What I also do is I put a little breadcrumbs on the top. And that just gives it that nice golden crunch. Now I like 4C's Italian breadcrumb.
I thought you were talking about like really breadcrumbs.
This is the real breadcrumbs. It's just seasoned, and it's taken down to a finer grain. It's just toasted bread. You can make your own breadcrumbs, really. But it's so much easier just to... So this is what it looked like before. Can you do that, please, for me? That is what it looked like before we put it in the oven. And remember, I stated that I take aluminum foil and I cover it. Cover it with your foil paper. And what I'll do, because it bubbles over sometimes, all the cheese, I'll put another foil pan in the bottom of my oven. So that if it does leak, it'll go right into the foil pan. So we'll bake that approximately, I'll check it after half an hour to see how it's doing, if it's bubbling up nice. And then I'll remove the aluminum foil and let it go another 10-15 minutes. Okay? So I have my chicken wings, wingettes I should say, that I've previously seasoned up. So these have been waiting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start my hot oil in a pot, and I'm going to fry these chicken wings. What I do is I take a little bit of flour and I add some more seasonings to it, probably some more adobo, a little more black pepper, and then I sort of flour them, for lack of better words. It's not a true dredge because dredge involves eggs. So what I'll do is I'll toss them lightly in the flour and then I'll deep fry them. And they're going to be so delicious. Can't wait to show you guys the finished product.
Like this.
Okay.
And it.
Good.
So we are back with the final results
And this is
of the macaroni.
the finished product of the macaroni and cheese. You see that? It's nice and golden. And that cheese just melted ever so nicely on it. And here is some of the chicken wings. Nice and golden. And we have some more frying in the pot. So we like to thank you. And we hope you enjoyed this tutorial of the macaroni and cheese and fried chicken wings. Please join us again. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.